In this video, we are going to see a light beam which is traveling around the earth. You can see in this prototype. So let's see how we can create this. So let's begin. Here is the image we are going to use for the earth, and we will create a light beam around this which will travel continuously. So let's do that. So first of all, I'm going to create an ellipse. Press O and create an ellipse just like this, and I will add a stroke, give it a width of 5, and remove fill, give it a color of diamond gradient, something like this. Let's change this color to this blue. We will pick the color from here, and this will be the same. It's just okay. Let's do some changes in this. Yes, this will be something like this, and now duplicate the stroke, command D, and we will give it an angle of 120. Okay, duplicate it again. So there are 3 paths now. So we will hide all other paths with the help of angle, not like this, just hide from this eye section. We will not do that. We will hide it from the stroke angle. We will use angle for it. So something like this. Yes, and this one also. Now all are hidden. So now select all these and put it in a frame. Now duplicate the frame, and we'll change the stroke position. So it will be like okay, select the second one. Please watch it very carefully, otherwise you will miss it. Yes, something like this. Now duplicate this frame again, and I am creating this pattern of stroke so that light beam should look like it is traveling around the earth. Duplicate the frame one more time. So these are the patterns I have created. If you want to create the same design, you have to create the same stroke pattern. Obviously, you can change the angle according to you, but it should look like this. That's when we can get the result we are looking for. We are done with the stroke here. Now what I will do, I will select all frames here and go to right hand side and create a component set. Now go to prototype and connect to each or connect each frame to next frame, just like this. After delay, trigger will be after delay of 1 millisecond, and action and animation will be smart animate. Duration will be 1000 millisecond. Do this for each. Don't forget to connect the last one to first frame, just like this. Now I will take a frame and give it a familiar color like this one. Let's change it a little bit. Okay. Now go to asset and drag the component to the artboard and let's see if it is working or not. All right, this is working very nicely. I love it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.